friends, today I am going to discuss with you a very important topic, that is simple present tense. All of you know there are three major tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. But we should know about the use of simple present tense. What is the use of simple present tense and what is the rule of simple present tense? If we go to understand the rule of simple present tense, the rule of simple present tense is subject plus V1 plus object. For example, I read a book. I write a letter. He plays a cricket. She sings a song. Rahul goes to a market. Rajesh jumps in the river. Rakesh brings a vegetable. Roshan understands a lesson. All these are examples of simple present tense. But what is the use of simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to tell us about the day-to-day activities or the daily routines from morning to evening. When you tell your daily routines, that is, I wake up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. From morning to evening, whatever you do, that you have to tell in simple present tense. Another important feature of the simple present tense is, or the use of simple present tense is, it is used to tell universal truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. The earth moves round the sun. All these are the universal truths. And sometimes simple present tense is used to tell about future also. For example, Aishwarya Rai performs a dance tomorrow in the evening. So whenever you speak about your daily routines, about universal truths, that time you have to use simple present tense. So the simple present tense is not only about depend on the, that is, verbs. For example, if we use third person singular pronouns, he, she, it, that time the verb we have to add yes suffix to the verb. And when we use first person pronoun I and we, that time there is no need to use or add yes suffix to the verb. For example, I say that I like an apple. But when you use third person singular pronouns, he likes an apple. So many students make this type of the mistakes. They, without thinking about that, they directly say he like an apple. But this sentence is wrong. But when there is a third person singular pronouns, that is he, she, it, that time you have to add yes suffix to the main verb. So that sometimes we have to make a sentence by using am is are. For example, I am a student of English language. This sentence is in simple present tense. It is not in present continuous tense. I am a student of English language. He is a doctor. So here I used subject, verb and complement, so that whenever you are studying, whenever you are speaking in simple present tense, that time you should be very careful about that. You must follow the rules and regulations of grammar. Your English will be understood by others, but sometimes you make mistake. These are the very simple and the common mistakes, but you have to try to avoid this type of the mistakes. But you have to use, or you have to speak in simple present tense, and you have to tell about your daily routines, day-to-day activities in simple present tense. I think all of you understood what is simple present tense. Okay, I thank all of you for listening this lecture carefully. Thank you once again.